How is this even possible, guys? It is going to be 2021. Oh my gosh. I bought this stunning new Archer and Olive bullet journal. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And honestly, I can't rave about it enough. If you guys would like a full review, let me know in the comments. Today we're going to be using the Arteza 100 count Twee markers. This is a beautiful set. It comes with so many colors and it has 2 tips, a brush tip and a fine point tip. It is so amazing and I love the colors. We will also be using the Arteza 120 Inkonic pens. These are their fine liners and they also come in so many colors. To start this video off, we are going to be doing the index page, and since I'm starting this bullet journal a little bit early, I actually started it in November. We are going to just write in the index that it's from 2020 November to whatever it is, whatever month it is in 2021. I like using a ruler for this portion of the index because I really like the crisp lines, but it also looks fine if you don't use a ruler. I like the messy look as well. We're going to be going in with this gray marker and we're going to trace out the index font. And then we're going to go in with a fine marker and just kind of hand letter index across the big letters for the title. And then the theme for this year's bullet journal, I'm just going to go in with a lot of stars. It's going to kind of be like celestial, constellation, glitter type theme. So we're just going to go in and decorate that. And then we're going to be moving on to the future log. So I am really nervous when it comes to this page because I really feel like I'm going to mess up every single month. And I'm not sure if I messed up. I may have, if I'm being honest. I really do enjoy this spread though, to really see like what each month ahead is gonna look like, and you can also put in underneath it special dates that you can then transfer to your monthly or weekly spreads. Then we're gonna move on to the key. This is my little baby Dusty, and so I didn't really know what I really wanted for the key because I wanted it to be simple and easy to remember, so I didn't put so many symbols on my key. And then once I got done with the key, I moved on to my bucket list page. I really like this spread because it's very minimal, and also I didn't use the ruler because I really liked that uneven line on this spread. And I'm doing the same kind of titles on each page as the index. And then we're going to move on to the library page and my shows page. So what I'm doing here is I have drawn a bookshelf and we're going to fill it in with some books. This actually took a really long time and I'm actually kind of scared that I won't be able to fit the titles into the books, but I guess we'll see as we go along the year. And once I got that filled in, I moved on to the shows to watch and the shows that I've watched. And I've also decided to include a star rating with the shows that I did watch. And then we're going to move on to one of my favorite spreads, and that is the movies spread. What I did was I did the title on the page and then I roughly drew out some film strips, and on each film strip we're going to put in what movie we watched, and I'll be writing the movies that I want to watch behind the title of this page and behind the film strip. This was so much fun to do, and it's super cool when you watch a movie and you get to rate it and put it on the film strip. I really love this spread, and I can't remember who I got the idea from. It was on Pinterest, but if you guys can think of who originally did this, please let me know in the comments so I can give them the credit that they deserve. It is so pretty, and I really love this spread. And then I'm just going in and erasing everything like the pencil markings, and then I'm going in and decorating it with my star design. If you guys have ever seen any of my doodles, literally this is my go-to design. I use this for like everything. It is my favorite, and I just think it looks really, really, really pretty with this spread. I hope you guys like it as well. So I'm just going in and decorating each spread with these stars if I haven't done so already. Alright guys, that is it. We are going to be doing the final reveal of all of these shots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glamfam. And yeah, have a wonderful New Year's. Bye!